Hey, what's up you guys? It's EJ and I'm back with another hair video. Only this time I will not be doing my hair by myself. I'm actually getting it done by the lovely, the talented, the amazing hairstylist Barry Sleeks in Los Angeles, California. And today I'm going to show you how we go from this to this. So if y'all want to get more insight into the process and see how we went from point A to point B, stay tuned, tap in, because I will be diving a little bit deeper into the styling process, and as per usual, I will be speeding it up for your convenience, so tap in. Now the hair I'm going to be using is a natural straight 20-inch frontal wig that I purchased from Barry, and I am so excited because y'all, this is sleek and it is giving. So we started off with freshly washed and conditioned hair, and Barry started off braiding my hair into a braid pattern that was going to work well for her to lay the frontal down. And here is the final braiding pattern. After braiding down my hair, she now put a wig cap on and fitted it to my head before preparing to put on the frontal. Once the wig cap was properly fitted, she then used Got2b hairspray and a hair dryer to secure the wig cap onto my head before shaping it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and let you all take in the process. I did speed up the video, and I will see you all at the end once the frontal has been installed. All right, you all, and here is the final look. Huge shout out to the amazing stylist Barry, who absolutely nailed this install. I mean, she not only laid it, but she slayed it. And y'all, it is flawless. She really brought this look to life, and I absolutely love it. And I want to know in the comment section, what do you all think of this style? Is this something that you would rock? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Also, if you're ever in Los Angeles, California, please be sure to check out Barry for all your hair needs. Her details are going to be in my bio. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. And as we round up, enjoy the final look.